Hi there guys, in today's video in TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at how to back up and restore your software settings. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just like I mentioned in the previous video, this is going to be a little mini two-part series on backing up and restoring your settings. So first we looked at the actual vendor settings, and now we're going to look at your software settings. So the vendor is pretty much for your machine you're using, and software is for the program you are using. In our case, it'll be TruCUT RDWorks. So in order to do that, what we want to do is go to our main menu, then we go to File, and then under File, if we navigate down, we'll find Import Software Settings and Export Software Settings. So now this is ideal to do if you've just installed the program and everything's running very well. And I would say you do this before you set anything, so you know you've got a default. So you'll click on that, it'll open up this Save dialog menu, locate, and navigate where you want to save it to, and then give it a name here at the bottom. Good idea is perhaps something like I'm just going to call it software settings, or software, let's put a T there, software settings backup. And then sometimes if it's the default one, I'll just call it default. Otherwise, what you can do is put a date there, and then if you've made changes, you save another one, you put the new date, so that way you always know which one was the first and which one was your latest. Then you simply go to save. It tells you export software settings successful. Then now you've got a nice backup of that. Now let's say time goes by, a few months, you've set some settings, and now suddenly your program doesn't work so well anymore, and you've got no idea what you did. So instead of reinstalling it, now you can simply go to your main menu again, go to File, and then we go to Import Software Settings. From there you want to navigate and locate where you've set your settings to or save them. Then we're going to go to bottom right to open, and I'm not going to say open now because I just saved it, but then when you open that, it will load all your program settings to default. If you're still having problems, I would recommend then doing your vendor settings as well, just loading that to default. Otherwise, that is it on the backup and restoring settings for the program and your machine. Otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.